Hello viewers, I'm Parvez, and this Untitled Studio video I'm going to show you that how you can create a simple list view and how you can set item click listener to your list view. So I have created a new project, and now in this project I have just a text view. Let me remove this. Okay, now the first thing I need, let me just change this to linear layout, and let me give on-right orientation, so orientation vertical. Okay, so first I'm going to create a list view in here. Okay, so list view, match parent and also match parent, and I need to give an ID for my list view. So on-right ID, at ID I call it list view. After this, so if you see, you can see this is my list view. Now I want to add some data to my list view. Okay, so first let me create a string, an array string of, for example, programming language or programming lang. So in here you can add some programming language like Java, or for example, let me add Python, Java, C++, C#, and for example PHP, just some language I want to add. For example CSS, just I wanted my list should be, let me just copy all of them and paste it once more. Okay, so so these are my data. Now after this, let me just create a list view. So list view string, I call it list view. Sorry, this. Okay, so list view. Now I need to find this list view, find view by ID, or dot ID dot list view. Okay, now for adding these data to our list view, we need to create an array adapter. So array adapter, it is a string array adapter, and I call it adapter. And now we need to new array adapter. Okay, so now the first parameter in here is the context. I'm going to give it this. The second one is the for example the layout. For right now I'm going to use the custom layout, the layout that's built in Untitled Studio, but you can create your custom layout. So r dot layout dot, so let me just check this. So on-right dot r dot layout dot simple list item 1. I need this, and another one is your data, so it's programming. Let me just give it programming lang. And now we need to set our this adapter to our list view. So list view dot set adapter and our adapter. Okay, so now this is our code. Let me just run this. So guys, now you can see that this is our list with these items. So now I want to show you that how you can handle item click listener. So when you click on these items, we are going to handle that. So for this, in here we are going to set item click listener for our list view. So list view dot set on ItemClickListener, new on ItemClickListener. And I'm going to just toss the name of that item, so you can simply toss. So this is main activity.this, and for the text I'm going to give parent. So this parent dot get item at position, so get item at position, and you need to give this position, and like this is selected, and you can see the length is short, and then we have showed our toast. So just simple like this. Now let me just run it again. Okay guys, now this is our project, and if I click on Python, so you can see we have tossed Python is selected, CSS is selected, for example Java is selected. So like this you can create a list view, but I have said, if you see in this section, we have used the layout, built-in layout of Android Studio. So, and this is the built-in layout design. For example, you want to give your design for every of for example items. For that we are going to create a custom layout, and I am going to show you in this video. So in your layout in here, we are going to create a new layout. So let me click on new layout source file. Okay, now give a name to your layout. I'm going to give it custom layout, and I want to change this constraint layout to linear layout, like this. So now this is just a layout, a custom layout. Now in here, the first thing I need, I'm going to create a text view. So text view, match parent, and also the it should be wrap content. And for the text, I'm going to just give hello world, and I need a text size, so Android text size to 25 sp, and also I need to give a text color, so Android, okay, Android text color. So for the text color, I want to give it color, and I need a red color, so like this. And also we need to so this is, if you see, you can see it's in here, and also we need to give a text alignment. So Android text alignment, and for text alignment we choose center. So now you can see our text is in the center, and I need to give a layout margin top. So layout margin top to 10 dp, like this. And also I need to give an ID, so Android ID, I call it the text view, like this. And let me also give Android text style to bold. So now this is our custom layout, and now in the main activity in here we want to give our this ID, this text view. So in here you can see now our adapter. Now I'm going to just remove these data first, the first one. Okay, so now the first thing I want to give it my text view ID. So it was r dot the custom text view so that I have created in here. So if you see in our custom layout, so it's text view. Dot text view, and the second one is okay, so it's the third one. The second one is our layout name, so r dot layout dot custom layout, and this is the text view, and the last one is our data, so programming lang. So now just simple, and now let me just run this. And you will see a custom layout for your list view. So now I'm waiting for this. So guys, now you can see this is our list with our custom list view, custom layout. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, please subscribe to my channel.